Hi everybody, I am going to discuss set difference operator in relational algebra. Subject is DBMS. Set difference operator in relational algebra. First point, it is a binary operator. It is a binary operator. Number 2, it is used to display those tuples that are in one relation, but are not in the other relation. It is used to display those tuples that are in one relation but are not in the other relation. So it is a binary operator because it required two table. It is used to display those tuples যে tuples গুলো একটাতে আছে আর অন্যটাতে নেই, means difference from one to another. Syntax is, first of all, a symbol is, it is denoted by this difference, this minus. Syntax is table 1, table name 1 minus table name 2. That is the difference from one table to another table. Suppose R is a relation and S is another relation. That R minus S equal to, you can say, T. Those tuple it will display that such that those are in R and those are not in S. Suppose it is S minus R, then we can say those tuple will be displayed that are belong to S and that are not belong to R. Is subtraction. R and S must have same domain, same set of attributes. For example, suppose R is a table which consists of A, B and C column. S is another table which consists of same set of attribute A, B, C column. Values of R are A 170, B 280, suppose C 390, and here A 170, suppose C D 495, E 592. Then when we perform R minus S, then it will display those tuples that are in the first relation, not in the second. That is A, B, C. A 170 is there, and it is also available in S. B 280 is available in R, not in available S, so it will display B 280. C 390 is available in R but not in S, so it will display C 390. Similarly, when we perform S minus R, it will display A, B, C. A 170, it is present in the S table and it is also present in the R table. D 495 is present in S, not present in R, so it will display D 495. E 592 is present in S, not present in R, so it will display E 592. In this way, set difference operator operates. Let us consider a common example through which we can display all three operators, that is unary, union, intersection and set difference. Let us consider the example. Suppose this is the student table, student name, student 1 is the name of the table, is student 1, which consists of name, roll and marks. It will display name, roll, marks. And the name of another table is student 2. Name of another table is student 2. It will display name, roll, mark. A170, these are the tuple, B280, A170, C390. Suppose these are the tuples. Now when we perform number 1 in union operator, pi name role and mark. When we perform union, pi name role mark, union pi name role mark. Table name is, first table name is student 1 and the second table is student 2. During relational algebra, it is not possible to write this way: name role mark. If you perform student 1 union student 2, we have to display the first tuples, then the second tuple, then the union between these tuples. So it will display this way: the pi student 1 name roll marks and union pi name roll marks student 2. Next one, suppose I want to display intersection between these two tables, then we can use this pi. It will display this first operation union will display it will display name roll mark. After performing union operation, it will display A170 because this is common, both B280 is in either A, this first table, C390 in the second table. So it will display all the tuples that are in both the table. Now when we perform intersection operation, that is the intersection operation between pi name roll mark student 1 and the intersection then after the intersection pi name roll student 2, it will display those common parts, that is it will display name roll mark A170, both are common in the table. And now the set difference. When you perform set difference, again we have to write pi name roll marks student 1, pi name roll marks student 2. Then it will display those tuples that are in first relation, not in the second relation. That will name roll mark, that is B280. So this is the tuple that are in first relation, not in the second relation. So this is union, intersection and set difference.